Hello and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm gonna teach you how to make a banana apple cake. This recipe is very simple, quick, and easy to be made. There is no need to use a blender or a mixer. You can just beat all the ingredients by hand. The only thing that makes this cake a gluten-free cake is the presence of a gluten-free flour, but the gluten-free flour can be easily replaced by regular flour, making this cake a regular cake. I have personally made this cake both with the gluten-free flour and the regular flour, and both recipes turn out very good. So if you want to learn more, stay here with me. In order to make our cake, we are going to use a few very simple ingredients. We are going to need 3 bananas, 1 apple, 1 cup of sugar, 1 cup of flour. It can be the regular flour or the gluten-free flour. I'm using this brand here of gluten-free flour, but you can use whatever flour you have. 2 eggs, 1/4 cup of oil, I'm using canola oil here, 1/4 cup of milk, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, and a little bit of cinnamon sugar. The first thing that I'm gonna do is to get dressed. Now we're gonna preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. I'm going to use this spring form tray right here, which is 9.5 inches across and 3 inches high. We are going to coat this tray here first with a little bit of oil and then a little bit of flour. Ripe bananas, like these ones here, are even better to make this cake. So do not discard your ripe bananas. Now, with a fork, we are going to smash only 2 out of those 3 bananas. So we are going to save 1 banana to cut that into little pieces and smash the remaining 2 ones. Now with this spatula, we are going to start mixing some of the other ingredients too. First, we are going to mix the sugar. Now, add the eggs, now we are going to add the oil, let's also add the milk, we are going to add the flour, now we are going to add the baking powder. Now we are going to take our remaining banana and slice it. Now we are going to add the sliced banana to the mixture. Now we are going to peel and slice the apple. Here we have our sliced apples that we are going to add to the mixture. Now we just mix it again. Now we are going to take our coated tray and just put all that cake mixture inside it. And now we just need to spread a little bit of cinnamon sugar on the top. Now we are going to put everything inside the oven for about 45 minutes. Now our cake is finally ready and I'm going to slice it. Thanks for watching! Please remember to like and subscribe, leave me your comments down below and check out my other videos. Bye bye! And what do you do while the cake bakes? Do the dishes? No.